It's your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. In this video, I'm going to cover the top 7 winning products in 2019 for Shopify Dropshipping. So let's hop straight into the video. Here we are on Pexter.com. Now, Pexter.com is a website where they post different variations of products that you can go out and promote. They're pretty good when it comes to up-to-date to new releases of products that's being released into the market. Right now, I am not signed into my account, so we're seeing the product straight from top down. And we also on the side, hold on here, let me scroll down. Yeah, so we have different niches that we'll go through. So we'll go through a couple pages, then we'll go into niches, and then we'll continue on from there. And as you can see, these products were added 2 hours ago. Here's just some engagement below. So, yeah. Let us begin with the video. So the time of you watching this video, September 3rd, 2019. Labor Day was yesterday, so summer's technically over, but it's not, depending on where you choose to market to. That didn't make much sense for some of you, but what I'm basically saying is you can still market summer products in areas that's hot within the United States, preferably, and you can still sell summer products to states that have hot temperatures like Florida, California, etc., etc. So, the first product that I have for you is going to be this waterproof swimming music player. Now, just doing my research in the e-commerce community, they said this product has a lot of good potential. As you see right here, the product cost is $18.19. You can sell this price for $68.75, giving you a profit margin of $50.56. So scroll on down. They have information on AliExpress, Facebook ads, where it's selling, Shopify, Amazon, eBay. You can get detailed targeting, you can get ad copy, full reports. Get started now. To see all that, you'll have to make a membership. So sign in to Pexter.com, make your membership, check that out. So as we scroll down, that is going to be the first product for you to test. See if we can find something. Let's see. Right. As you see, they have over 137 pages for you to look at and check out. So, check out Pexter.com. Let's see, here we are on the second page. Let's see what we can find here. Right, here's another good one. As you see, in 1 week it has 5,357 orders. So this will fall into roughly the same category as the first product I've just shown you, which is a waterproof car seat cover. Excuse me. The product cost is $28.15. You can sell this for $59.95, making a profit margin of $31.80. Hold on. Yep, $31.80. Again, you can source this product on AliExpress. You can see this product on Facebook ads. You can see the geographic and devices that's working, the detailed targeting, and the ad copy. So definitely make a membership with Pexter.com. So for the last, I say 7. So we're going to go into niche, and we're going to sort by category. So the first niche we're going to go into is beauty and health. We're going to come over here to healthcare. I'm going to take a look in the healthcare niche for products on Pexter.com. So let's take a look. This was added 3 days ago, 2 weeks ago. USB charging waist wrap, huh? Interesting. Blueberry toothpaste. Alright. Let's keep on looking here. Alright, let's try makeup. Let's go to makeup instead of healthcare. 4 days ago. They also have offers where you see right here, untapped winning product. So if you have a membership, you can definitely jump on the wave. They also have special products up here, but just because it's got 102 orders, I don't think it's that special, honestly. But you never know. Could be a winning product and you ain't even know it. Alright, let's go to family. So we're gonna go to the family niche. I didn't really like nothing they had in beauty and healthcare. So we're gonna take a look here. Alright, so this will be good for people who have specifically baby girls. You can target that on Facebook. You can target segmented by your targeted interests, whatever age you want to do. You can set gender, and then underneath where you put in your interests, you can go down like where you would go to engage shopper. You can also target parents who have kids from 0 to 1 year, 1 year through 2 years. I say anywhere up to about roughly 3, maybe 4 for baby girls. So the product cost will be $7.24. You will sell this for $19.95, giving you a profit margin of $12.09. This is a romper and floral pants. Women who have baby girls and potentially dads will love that product. I've tested this in the Facebook marketplace and I've made very, very good profitable money. So that is the third winning product that I have for you. Next, we're going to stay in family. We're going to look at kids. Let's take a look at what they have for us in the kids section. And just off the bat, without having to scroll, we're going to click on Canvas. Now, Canvas have done extremely well for me in the past. I was making a good amount of money selling Canvas, so I definitely always suggest that you can sell Canvas and tapestry whenever you come across them. Just go on AliExpress, type in Canvas tapestries, and depending, you should target people who's interested in art, of course, but you can also target based on the animals. So for this, you have a giraffe, you have a lion, you have a monkey, a hippo, I think that's a zebra. Also target that when you go on into your Facebook targeting interest. That'll help you out very much. So the product cost here is $3.28. You can sell this for $19.95, giving you a profit margin of $16.67. Definitely check out the Canvas. I'm very serious about targeting. It's been very good for me in the past. So that's the fourth winning product for you. Scroll on down. Okay. Alright, so we're going to move on to the next niche. Going to go into household pets. We're going to come over to cats because everybody loves cats. I'm more of a dog person, so that's contradiction. But I mean, to each his own. People love cats, people love dogs. We're going to check out both. Problem solved. So, what do we have for cats over here? Alright, here we go right here. So this product is gonna be targeting people who have cats. This can go for both men or women. And this is gonna be an instant filter litter box scooper, because some people don't really like putting their hands out when they got scoop out cat shit. So this will once you dump this, more than likely the customer will have to dump out the litter box, of course. But this, once it dumps, there's probably a button or a mechanism you can hit which will instantly fill the litter box up. This will be very time consuming for the customer. This will help them. They will love you very, very much. The selling price is $20. The product cost is $8.61, giving you a profit margin of $11.34. Definitely jump on this. This is a passion niche. This is an evergreen niche, meaning people with cats will forever be needing a litter box for their cat. Thus, you can solve them the problem of giving them a litter box scooper, thus solving their problem of having to come back and fill the litter box, because this is an instant filler litter box scooper. That's a lot of tongue twisters right there. This used to be popular like 2018. Right. Right, so we're gonna go to the next niche, which I said was dogs. So we found one for the cats. I believe that was the 5th winning product. This will be the 6th winning product. It's gonna be for dogs. I have a dog myself, so this will be quite helpful. Alright, I see a portable dog poop and scoop, but let's see if we can find something more. This is a winning product. It's phrased differently, but this is basically the LED dog collar. It's a popular product that tends to pop up once a year. Roughly, it kicked off around 2016 when I got involved in dropshipping, and I've seen it every year since. So, yes, it is saturated, but it's working. Meaning, if you can get the right marketing and advertising, you can make this a profitable product for you. They are selling this for, so you can sell this with $19.95. Product costs $2.66. Shipping is $2.21, so your profit margin is $15.08. So definitely hop on the wave. Definitely get you the LED dog collar, even though it's phrased different. That's basically what it is. And for the 7th winning product, we're going to go in camping. But it's still fall, so people can go camping in the fall. At least that's what they do around here where I live. So we're going with camping. Alright. Let's see. Alright. Here we are. And the 7th winning product that I have for you is the portable touch lamp. Basically, when you go camping, this lamp, I'm pretty sure it has a set hour of how long it'll stay charged. But what you're going to do is you're going to bring this lamp with you. Well, the customer will bring this lamp with them when they go camping, and you can just touch or tap the lamp and the light will come on. I'm pretty sure if you tap it multiple times, the light will get brighter. So this is definitely a problem-solving product for those who like to go camping. The selling price is $26.95. Product cost is $10.64. Shipping is $0, so you have a profit margin of $16.31. I thank you for your time. Check out all the other different content that I have. Click my face right here, boom, popping up. Click on my face, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out my most recent video, my playlist on e-commerce. Teach you everything you need to know from start to finish, so you don't got to go out buy no expensive course. But for those of you wondering, I do have an e-commerce course coming up soon on Shopify, Etsy, and eBay, so definitely stay tuned for that. And up here I have a Shopify video on different ways to find high ticket winning products. So this has been your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. Leave a like and comment. I respond to any and all questions and comments that you may have. Subscribe to the channel by clicking my face, hit that notification bell. Like this video because it helps the engagement, helps the video get seen for more viewers across on the YouTube platform. I will appreciate you greatly. Again, your friend and mentor, Mr. Da Vinci. See you in the next video.